Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 1st of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is The French Revolution. In the previous video, we have learned question number 1st and 2nd. Now question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is describe the legacy of the French Revolution for the people of the world during the 19th and 20th century. Answer is the social and political changes that took place all over Europe can be traced to the French Revolution. The French revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity motivated the political movements in the world in 19th and 20th century. The idea of liberty expressed in the Declaration of the Rights of Men and Citizens laid the foundation of a new social order. The ideals of freedom and liberty formed the basis of national sovereignty. The idea of equality led to the end of a society based on privileges. All individuals have the same rights became the new slogan for world politics. The idea of fraternity promotes the ideals of love, unity, and cooperation among different sections of society. Another great legacy of the French Revolution was the idea of nationalism. The French Revolution promoted the concept of nationalist, which inspired the people of Poland, Germany, and Italy to establish nation states in their countries. This concept played a great role in reshaping the boundaries of Europe and South America. Other new ideas were like abolition of slavery, equal rights for women, etc. Even today, people get inspiration by the great ideals of the French Revolution. Question number 4. Question number 4 is draw up a list of democratic rights we enjoy today whose origin could be traced to the French Revolution. The answer is some of the democratic rights which we enjoy today whose origins could be traced to the French Revolution are right to equality, right to liberty or freedom, fraternity, and democratic rights. It means the right to vote, etc. First, right to equality. The right to equality has its origin in the French Revolution. In the Indian Constitution, right to equality means equality before law, provision of discrimination, and equality of opportunity in matter of employment. Next, the right to liberty or freedom. The origin of this right can also be traced to the French Revolution. In the preamble to the Indian Constitution, right to liberty or freedom means freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Next, fraternity. The French Revolution introduced the growth of the spirit of fraternity and social welfare. In the Indian Constitution, the concept of fraternity abolishes untouchability and local or provincial anti-social feelings. And last is democratic rights or right to vote, etc. The French Revolution inspired the spirit of democracy, which ensured many rights, such as right against exploitation, right to life, right to vote, etc., which we are enjoying today. Question number 5. Would you agree with the view that the message of universal adult franchise or universal rights was beset with contradictions? Explain. The answer is yes, I agree that the message of universal rights was beset with contradictions. Many ideals in the Declaration of Rights of Men and Citizen were not clear in their meaning. The law has the right to forbid only actions injurious to society, did not mention about criminal offences against individuals. The declaration stated that law is the expression of the general will. All citizens have the right to participate in its formation. All citizens are equal before law. Although France became a constitutional monarchy, millions of citizens were still not allowed to vote at all. It means passive citizens were not given the right to vote. This was a striking contrast to the ideals that the revolution supported. When the Jacobin assumed power, they had very harsh policies, and so the wealthier middle classes became powerful. The political instability of such regimes ultimately made Napoleon the monarch of France. Last question, question number 6. Describe the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Answer is French Revolution removed the barrier of the privilege of birth and paved the way for the privilege of talent or merit. Glorious victories of Napoleon in wars made the French realize that only a soldier's sword could restore discipline and respect for authority and a stable government. In the political, economic, and social field, Napoleon carried out certain reforms which were associated with the basic spirit of the revolution. In the economic field, he continued the old policy of the revolution by reorganizing the taxation system. He uprooted the aristocrats also. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France.